How do I look? Pretty? Cute? As cute as you? Great.
Okay. Should I do the intro? You want to do the intro?
Like the intro to the vlog. Do you
Yeah.
have something that you do?
No.
There's just something like a cut. I hope I don't yawn in the vlog. But it's okay if I
Fine.
do.
Yeah.
Yeah. I just don't want people thinking that I'm bored. Like, I'm not bored, I'm sleepy.
She's not bored. It's now on camera.
Yeah. Oh, yeah, we started. Yay! Finally, I'm on a podcast. Like I always wanted to be.
Yes, I think many more. See?
You
And I'm
need
gonna
the
eat
water.
ice cream. How smart am I? It's actually
You're
really
very
good.
smart. I'm the stupid one. I don't know why.
No.
I don't know why I had to go vegan. Like, why do I make life so difficult for myself?
I thought my camera screen. In the start, there is a little
Like, you do something fun or whatever. Like, there are clips
fun.
of
like random things from the episode and
random
then we
things
just
from the episode. Okay, hi Nishtha's fans. So I'm Yukado. I'm 29. I am Nishtha's friend's elder sister, and I'm trying to steal Nishtha for myself, basically.
stolen.
And yeah, we basically have the same personality. हमें बस एक alphabet का difference है.
We just found out.
We just found out. We did the whole 16 personality test thing today. So, and what else about me? Oh God.
She's a traveler. She's a person who lives her life to the fullest, and we are all inspired by her.
Oh, that's so sweet. Thanks for saying
There's
that.
going to be a lot of flattery in this video, so y'all better get used
It's
to
a
it.
mutual admiration society.
We love each other.
And we love ourselves and
Yes.
we love each other. We love each other basically means that we love ourselves. We're
Right.
basically the same person. Even though I think you once said that I'm similar to Raseshwari.
We got thought.
Sorry, that's what you thought.
Yeah.
And I think that we are similar in some ways. In the sense that we like to document everything. But like that's also you.
Yeah. I think we also learn from the people around us now. And there are
Are you saying
and
Rasesh learned
qualities-
from you or you learned from
I did learn quite a lot from her. Actually, the fact that my personality has shifted from an I to a E credits a lot to this entire family.
Really?
Yeah.
But isn't she an I?
No, she's an E.
What?
Yeah.
I am so shocked. So my best friend Srishti, she once told me like I she was like talking to someone and she was like, hey, I'm an extrovert, and I'm like, wait, you're an extrovert, Srish? And she said, listen, तुम्हारे सामने तो सब introvert ही लगते हैं, but yes, I'm an extrovert. But yeah, like I'm surprised to know that Rasesh is an extrovert. But yeah, like I guess there are like different levels of
the percentages of whatever.
Yeah, I think I am like becoming more of an introvert now.
Really?
As I'm getting older. Yeah, I think I used to be a lot crazier in my
I also
early
feel
20s.
like your introvert is like my very extrovert.
I used to be worse. I used to be like a lot
Isn't that
worse.
like a good thing? I don't think it's necessarily a bad thing.
Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, I mean, I was just joking. Like, I don't think it's a bad thing.
That's fine.
The rest will be
Okay,
fine.
so what we're doing now is that we're gonna do like the 36 question things, but not like the usual 36 questions because we already love each other, so we don't need to fall in love.
Exactly. Love that.
So yeah, we asked ChatGPT to like give us random questions. So I'm just gonna shoot it at you.
Okay, let's do this.
Alright. So the round one is called.
Wait, do we both answer?
We can.
Yeah, let's do it.
I'll answer wherever I have something to say.
Okay,
that's
got it.
Fun and interesting because yeah, it's more about this conversation flows.
Okay.
Okay.
By the way, shout out to Rasesh who's sitting behind the scenes and doesn't want to be in the vlog.
Or I'll get her. I'll drag her.
But
into
who's
this
bringing
thing.
us water and turning on the AC for us and arranging snacks for us. And she got me this cute cup for my green tea and
ice cream.
this really nice ice cream from
Indu ice cream.
Shout out to Indu Ice Cream. Sponsor us.
Please do. We love the ice cream.
What's this green tea company? Lipton. Sponsorship. We're going to be very famous very soon. So
Hopefully, fingers crossed.
giving them free product placement and promotions.
Yes.
Alright, for now free, not in the future.
All right. So the first question is, what is the pettiest fight you've ever had with family?
The pettiest fight I've ever had with oh god, this happens every day. I think just this morning I fought with my mom over a joke that she made. Like I was on video call with the family and then I was like, I miss Valerie, and mom was like, oh, I miss her too. And then she said, oh, that's everyone, we all want Valerie. And then Valerie is my baby sister, by the way. And then my mom was like, oh, we'll just clone her. I'll keep the original and you keep the copy. So I got mad at her for that. Ki, how dare you say that you keep the original and I'll keep the copy? What do you think of yourself? Ye wo. So, but also I'm like oversensitive when it comes to my mom. She is the best and I'm very, very hard on her. Sorry, mom, if you're not watching. She'll watch, definitely.
She'll watch, yeah.
Because she like supports me with
everything.
So.
Yep.
What about you? What's the pettiest fight you've had with your family?
Pettiest fight. Oh, the other day, I messed up my laptop to save my dog, Kia. She's not here today. And my dad said, the laptop is more expensive than the dog. And I was like, how would you say that? How can you? Obviously, he meant that as a joke, but I didn't take it as a joke. And then I got really offended. And I was like, how can you say that?
Joke. Yeah.
I mean, this is not something you joke about.
Even our parents kind of joke, na. But I think that's just like just the whole Indian parent thing. Like, you know, they kind of, for example, like when you're on a boat or something and you're with a camera, then they'll be like, "Tum gir jao, chalega, camera nahi girna chahiye," something like that. You know. So I think that's how he probably meant.
Yeah, no, he meant it like in a very funny way. But I was like, no, you can't even say that as a joke. How dare you call my dog? Okay. Who was your weird childhood crush that you're embarrassed about now?
Oh my god. Okay, then I don't know if I should actually send this to my mom. So I talk to my mom about everything, but the one thing that I don't talk to her is about my love life and obviously my sex life. Why am I spelling it? My mom can spell. Why am I spelling it sex? She's on a toddler. Anyway, but yeah, I don't talk to them about that, but fine. I guess. But I think ever since I was a kid, I've been like a very romantic. Like I grew up with Bollywood and Kejo and Kuch Kuch Hota Hai and everything. So I've had crushes since I was in the first grade. Since I was in like maybe kindergarten, UKG say I've had crushes. And like, yeah, I've always worn my heart on my sleeve and like I just kept falling in love. But what's been my weirdest crush?
That you're probably like embarrassed about, or like not.
Honestly, I'm embarrassed about
everything.
Yeah, I'm just embarrassed about my entire dating life. Like, who are these people that I dated and why did I ever date them?
Fair
like,
enough.
What was I thinking? Like, I think like Raseshwari will agree.
She's just laughing at things. Why don't you want to be a part of this, huh?
No, but like, yeah, just all of them. But I think like, now I know better. Like being 29, I think I know better, and I'm going to make smart choices, people. And I'm not going to like, even though like there's a lot of pressure sometimes, like to settle down, get married, whatever. But I'm like not going to settle whatsoever. And I mean, not that I'm saying I'm a catch and I'm perfect, and you know, like of course I'm going to work on myself, but you know, I'm not going to settle for less.
Yes.
Again,
that's how it should be.
It's been weird. Like some have been weird, and I'm okay with the weird ones because weird is like cute. It's like a beige flag.
Yeah.
Like there have been very few green flags, a lot of beige flags, but like a lot of red flags also. So that's a little bit sad. But also I think when I look back, like when I think back about like the bad, not the weird ones, but like the bad ones, then I feel kind of angry at myself sometimes because I blame myself for it. Ki why wasn't I mature enough or brave enough to kind of step out of it or like stand up for myself within that relationship, and I didn't. But
yeah, that I agree on.
Whatever. What about you?
I don't really have crushes.
You don't have crushes? People just have crushes on you.
Oh my god. I don't know if that's true. But no, I don't really like, we were talking about this like last night only, that how we don't like obsess over one thing or like get crushes on anyone, which is weird because I do like things about different people, but I wouldn't necessarily call it a crush.
Got it.
Like,
I feel like what is it with you generally? Like if Valerie, Raseshwari, you, Rasalika, like I feel like my life is just so full of like
crushes?
Yeah, just men and women and just everything, and like you all are so
No, I think I'm a little bit more.
You're a little better.
Yeah.
I'll give you that. You're
Yeah.
much better.
Yeah. I've put myself out there, but maybe not
like
as
people
much.
are so cute. Like,
That's
like
true.
wait. Okay, so wait. What's like the latest last crush that you remember that you had on someone, or like it could be a celebrity, for example.
That's all. Like I didn't like. I
You don't
even
have a celebrity crush.
Yeah.
Okay, Valerie at least has celebrity crush.
No, like I like people, but I don't. I won't call it
a
a
crush.
crush. Like it's not that intense to call it a crush.
Okay, got it.
It's just like likability of a few people.
Okay, yeah, that makes sense.
Yeah, that's
Okay.
just. I think that's just how I am. All right.
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, this is very random, but we'll just go with it. What's the most parivarik thing you've witnessed at a wedding?
The most parivarik thing.
Or family drama is what it says.
Oh, okay.
Parivarik family drama.
I'm thinking. You give me your answer first.
I'm thinking. I don't think I've attended enough weddings. I think like one stupid thing would be like, you know how there's this like I don't know if it's in your family honestly, but like in my family, extended family, there are people who like judge you for like certain things, which is like not nice. But would be, oh, why is she better dressed than I am? Kind of vibe, and I
Oh my
hate it.
God.
Like
Yeah,
that's probably
that's
why
terrible.
I don't go to a lot of these. That's probably why you find me here most of the time. But no, yeah, that is one thing that I witnessed, and it's kind of annoying. Why would you do that at someone's wedding? Yeah, like come on.
Yeah, I think like I haven't really witnessed any family drama because I think with my family like there is drama, and also like now if I send this to my mom, she'll be like, "It's sab kuch raita,
Fela diya."
like you don't have to. Everything doesn't have to be out there." But
yeah.
I'm an open book kind of person, so anyway. But yeah, I think in my family like the drama is underneath.
Yeah,
Like it's very subtle,
right.
and it's always gonna happen like between, you know, chup chup kids. It's never gonna be like out there. I think my mom and I are like the people who might like most likely to create a scene.
Okay.
Otherwise, there's never going to be like a scene. Like
Right.
everything's going to be very hush hush. I think mom and I, because mom, I think one time she wanted me to wear my dupatta a certain way or like wear some jewelry, and I'm very anti jewelry. And honestly, it's not easy being my mom. Like I props to her because I can be like a little bit very like stubborn about my values, like anti-mining, anti-jewelry, ye, wo, ethical and sustainable and this and that, and now I'm vegan, uska bhi issue hai. And then I changed my name to Yukado. She's like this like a little bit annoyed with that, and you know, so there's like a lot of.
If you don't mind me asking a follow-up, why did you change your name to Yukado?
So this was back when I was 13 years old actually. So maybe I don't know, maybe it's like a little bit narcissistic actually, but there were just so many Vishakhas.
Okay.
And I wanted something unique. And Vishakha, the meaning of Vishakha, like it means two things that I know of. One is that it's one of Radhaji's and Krishnaji's Sakhis.
Okay.
And her job is Shringar karna, Radhaji ka and Krishnaji ka Shringar karna.
Okay.
Like to dress them up and stuff. And then it's also a nakshatra is the second meaning.
Right.
But it's not the nakshatra that I was born under. So I feel like I am not related to any of those things in any way.
Right.
So, and my mom is Marwadi, my dad is Tamilian. So they had to decide a common name for both the families. जो दोनों cultures, दोनों states के हिसाब से acceptable हो.
Right.
So Vishakha was like a common name that they agreed on. So they were like, okay, we'll call her Vishakha. But I don't know. I guess there was like a part of me that always wanted to be unique, even back then. And I feel like I still feel that way now. Like my mom always raised me, you know, she would always say, you know, you're my special rose. You're the special rose in God's garden. And I'm like, okay, if I'm so special, why did you name me Vishakha? When you're like, and I think like 13 was also like, you know, when you type Vishakha into Facebook.
Yeah.
And actually in general also, I feel like I wish people had like more unique names and surnames, and because I feel like when you, especially in India, like if you say your name or your last name, you know, people instantly judge you by your religion, your state, your, you know, and also like, also the whole patriarchal aspect of it. Like my name is Vishakha Shivkumar.
Yeah.
And you know, like, look at how much I'm mentioning my mom. Like, she basically raised me, even though my dad is the best dad in the whole world.
Yes.
Like, right now, my dad is my best friend. Like, when my mom doesn't understand, like, right now, I have, like, he is my best friend. Like, he's my pal and I can talk to him about anything. But yeah, like it just annoyed me that why do I just have my dad's name and not my mom's name? And of course, I'm very happy to have my dad's name, but my
yeah.
mom kept me for 9 months.
Yes.
So
I mean, there
So
are
one of
places who also follow matrilineal this
Yeah,
as well,
yeah.
right? Even in India.
And like I think these days the trend is ki when you get married, like many women don't change their last names in hetero. But I still feel like for me, I want the guy to take my last name.
Okay.
Just as reparations. For like
Yeah.
all these years of patriarchy, just as reparations. Like this is like the bare minimum. If anyone's watching, anyone wants to send rishtas,
Please do.
please do. But no, you have to take my last name.
Yes, you have to take her last name.
So yeah, that's the story. I like literally just picked out random alphabets.
Okay.
And sorry, I like really digressed.
No.
I just literally picked out. I made chits
Okay.
like A to Z, and I picked out random alphabets.
Oh.
That's why there's just one of each. Yukado, like YUKADO. And then I got that, and I was like, cool. Okay, it starts with a Y, and I just kind of rearranged it, and that's how it came in.
Nice. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's so cool.
And I wanted it to be arbitrary. Like I didn't want to be named after something.
Yeah.
I wanted like okay, something should be named after me.
Wow.
I know I told you it's a little narcissistic. I'm sorry.
No, but like it takes guts to even think of something like that. Honestly.
Yeah, I might actually. It's still Vishaka Shivkumar on my passport and everything, but I might actually change it for my birthday next year. I don't know.
Ooh.
Talking to mom about it. Let's see.
Right. We'll see how this goes. We'll update you in a year.
Update.
Yeah. Okay.